Hi there, we're doing Nightclub two-step, and we're going to do the Kodak moment demonstration with a reverse finish. So, I'm going to start left to right hand. There is a hand change on count 2. Rock backward to demonstrate it.
1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Reverse pickup.
1 and 2, 3 and 4.
So let's take a look at what happened there. Again,
This side
left
so
to
we can
right
see.
hand. I'm going to hand change on count 2. 1 and 2, I step to the side, present the hand, I'm just flat fingers to the lady. This is the Kodak part. I'm going to turn her clockwise. 3 and 4, I'm back in front of her. To finish it, I'm going to rock back and catch a reverse pickup. 1 and pickup 2, I walk around 3 and 4. All right, let's demonstrate that from here again. So, hand changes on 2. I step to the side, now she does a turn, 3 and 4, right away reverse to pick up to close, 1 and pick her up, walk, walk, walk.
So let's talk a little bit, we'll go here. So what happens for me is he rocks me back, 1 and 2. We call it a Kodak moment because in the olden days Kodak was when you took pictures. And I face the audience, or I'm looking right here and I sort of pose. So there's 1 and 2. I'm going to do a half, half, half now. I look at him for half, I go half around, and then I turn around and face him. So if I do it from here, right here, 1 and 2, here I am posing. I'm going to go 3 and 4. Is there anything you want to say about your footwork?
Yes, my footwork for the Kodak moment with my back to the camera. Hand changes on 2. I step to the side to get out of the way. 1 and 2. Now, I need to align with her again, so I'm going to start her turning with my right hand as I step 3 and 4. I've gone back in front of her and a little bit to this side because the reverse will come from there. My footwork 1 and pick her up. I'm going to walk forward 3 and 4 feet together, and that completes it.
And that's to pick her up. So I'll show you the whole thing here. So he goes 1 and 2. I'm going to go 3 and 4. If you give me a reverse, I'm going to be turning to my left. I'm going to go 1 and 2, and I keep turning 2 because it's a long count 2. Then I go 3 and 4, and I go in a little bit of a circle. So I'd like to just show the reverse.
Just the reverse part only.
I go 1 and 2, I keep turning 2, and then I'll go side, cross, side in a circle.
Do it from here.
Okay, so
Right to right.
1 and 2,
You're
I
up.
keep turning side, cross, side. So that is a Kodak moment to a reverse pickup. See you later. Bye-bye.